Yeah, good morning, everyone. You need to wait some more time or you need to continue now? This lady is not joined. That's okay. So, you're discussing about bank, right? Bank reconciliations. Okay. So, bank reconciliation, you've done the configurations. Go to SPRO, banking, business transactions, payment transaction. You have a manual bank statement, electronic bank statement. You can done for electronic bank statement, right? Make global setting for electronic bank statement. What is our chart of account? 18110.
10.
Yeah, 18110. 1 second. 18110, right? 18110. Okay. So now, what is done? You are done for account symbol. So you have created account symbol for us, right? So incoming bank you done, main bank, bank charges, outgoing bank. These are accounting symbols. You did this. Okay. After creating accounting symbols, okay, only you're going to activate outgoing bank only SIP relevance. Okay, you need to activate the checkbox. Other than not required, because if you want to use new banking approach, you need to activate. Then once
In,
create
ca-
account,
in case we are using old approach, what to do? That SIP release not required.
holding approach, where you're going to configure, go to FBZP transaction code. Okay, in bank determination. Okay, here, for example, this is my company code, banking accounts. So here you map in the GL account. So from old approach, it will determine the GL account while doing the automatic payment program from here. So banking accounts, bank sub accounts, whatever mapping here, it will be determined. But new approach not required here. It will creating accounting symbol. Okay, an accounting symbol, assign accounting symbol to your company codes. Okay, for example, here accounting symbols. So you are mapping the GL account. This GL account, it will be determined automatically. Okay, and this accounting symbol you are assigned to your payment method. Where you need to assign payment method? This is other transaction code, SPRO, SAP reference IMG. As I already show you, financial accounting, bank accounting, so not required. So account receivable, account payable, business transaction, outgoing payment, automatic outgoing payment. Here, assign account symbol to this one. So you already done this part. So here, payment method C, IN payment method C here. Where is the C, C, C? Here. So you're mapping here. Payment method T, here mapping here. So you're using two payment method against two outgoing account symbol in it. So then while doing the determinant, if not done this one, so it is not work. Okay. You have a, this is the automatic payment program, no bank approach, the difference. Now we talk about, for bank reconciliations. Okay. So you're creating accounting symbol, you're mapping the accounting symbol. Okay. Once you've done accounting symbol, okay, create posting rule. Create posting rule. Sorry, create posting rule. So this is my posting rule. 18B, 18I, 18M, 18O posting rule. So posting rule for one is bank charges, one is incoming payment, one is main bank, one is outgoing bank. So once you create the posting rule, define posting rule. So okay. So here outgoing bank, main bank, incoming bank. Okay. Outgoing. So let's say outgoing bank. If you click outgoing bank here, double click here. So here posting rule is very, very important. Either it will be bank accounting or sub GL accounts. Sub ledger accounting nothing but vendor customers. So bank accounting means normal bank account. And then accounting symbol. If we use accounting symbol 18110 outgoing bank account, then accounting symbol main bank account. So main bank account will be created, debit outgoing bank account. So whenever you assign the main bank, then only you specify main bank against to you specify the GL posting key. Outgoing bank account, incoming bank account, no need to specify. So this is the clearing account. So that reason posting type you need to select as a clearing for this. For clearing for debit clearing. So you specified here. And similarly, you're going to use for incoming payment. If you see incoming payment here, put double click incoming payment. So the clearing for 5. So here assign to incoming bank, here assign to main bank. Then similarly, you can assign bank charges. So bank charges. So you're not clearing account GL posting. So that reason 40 is maintain the bank charges, 50 main bank account. The posting type is the post the GL accounts. Okay. Once you've done this part and creating the transaction type, MT940 transaction type. So you're going to use MT940 transaction type. This is my transaction type and assign to transaction type. This is the symbol. So external transaction symbol. This is the posting rule 181 posting symbol 182, 183. This is the posting external transaction. This external transaction it will allow for 4-digit number. Allow for 4-digit number for external transaction, but you are assigned to 3-digit number. This external transaction again is to you are assigned to bank account. Bank account. Okay, what is the bank account you mentioned? So what is, where is that? You maintain, no? Or that day you maintain. Go back. I'm not saved. Huh?
I'm not maintained, Ravindra. That time last time I took only maintained. Last one step not added.
Okay. Go to new entry. So I mean, at the time I came here, but I'm not sure, might be come back. So now you need to maintain the bank statement. So now you can see now, I'll maintain the bank key, bank account number. If you see for which bank you're going to use. So you're going to use for banking accounts now. So define house bank. So click on this, go to house bank. So this is my bank key here. Let's say bank key this, my bank account number. If you click here, so it is the bank account number. So this bank key, so here you're going to maintain, go to new entry. So bank key here and bank account number. Let's say bank account number, this is my bank account number 4534. And transaction, what is your transaction? 18 MT940 here, right? So company code, if you want to assign company code, otherwise not required. So 18 MT940, this is my transaction. So like this, you have how many banks you have. You're going to use how many banks you're going to map in here. So which is the relevant for JP Morgan Bank also. You want to assign here and bank account here. Select bank account. So bank accounts also you need to. Like this, you need to map for this and you need to enter this one. Okay. So this is assigned to this one. Okay, keep remember. So here you can create transaction type. Okay, once you create transaction type, so you can assign to external transaction. Okay, select any, let's say SAP standard, MT940 SAP standard. So here you can see FI007 unallocated, okay, unallocated plus minus. This is the plus means incoming payment. So minus means outgoing payment. Minus means outgoing payment. Plus means accounting payment. Okay. So few transaction I'm checking. See here you can see FCHI. I given for the bank. It is the SAP standard transaction. FCHI for bank charges, NCHB for bank charges, FCHI for incoming payment, FCHK for NCHK for vendor outgoing payment. So these all are standard transaction. For us, what you are going to use now, so you are given this 3-digit number. What is given for us? So if you select here, external transaction type, 181, 182, 183. So this transaction type you need to align to your payment file. So I will open the payment file. You can see this one. So here, this is my payment file. You need to understanding thoroughly. Here, I have specified this here. You can see statement date. What is my statement date? So now you need to file. This file will send to the bank for us. This file sent to the bank. Okay, this file you load to the SAP system. So this today bank is sending the file. What is the date today? 2025 12 January 1. So this is my statement date 2025 12 January 1. This is the one thing. Well, account ID, let's say account ID, account statement. Let's say I'll go with JP Morgan Bank or whatever bank here is specified. So let's say this is my account number. I can specify the account number or bank key, whatever. So let's say I have mentioned here account number. Okay, 5255 JP Morgan. Sequence number. This is the sequence number. Let's say here you can see now sequence, statement sequence number. I have mentioned one here. Now 60. What is 60? Opening balance. So opening balance. C for credit, D for debit. Keep remember. So you need to check opening balance in main bank opening balance, not incoming outgoing balance opening balance or main bank opening balance. So opening balance will set here FBL 1N GL account 2 star, no?
Then I'll go to UBL 3N, right?
Yeah, sorry. FBL 3N. Yeah.
The main bank account, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So here opening balance will be 0 here. If you see main bank account, opening balance will be 0. Okay. So opening balance will be 0 for main bank. So I can say main bank opening balance. I can put here 00. So you need to specify the date 25 12 01. Sorry, 25 12 01. Correct? 03 no 25 01 12. Here also you can specify like this 25 01 12. Okay, format. So now 25 . 01 12 INR. I mentioned 00. Okay. Next one. What is the next one? 81 sequence. Okay. C for account holder. C, and opening balance is completed now. And then statement sequence number I have specified, and statement line item. So go to FBL, for example, statement line item. So if you go for one incoming statement, let's say take incoming statement. So you have this many statement line items you have. Okay, each statement line item, 30,000 is there, 10,000 is there, 10,000 is there, 70,000 is there, 85,000 is there, 10,000 is there, 1 lakh is there, this one. So total value this much. Okay, this is the assignment field. Okay, 25001 assignment field, or this is my total value. So you need to tell to the system here, each line item wise one number you need to tell. Each line item wise you need to tell one number. So now here you need to specify the date and see amount. Here FCHI incoming payment is there, no? FCHI is there, no? Instead of FCHI, you specified what you have mentioned the posting key here. You specified our posting key. What is our posting key? Incoming payment 181 you need to mention. So this is the logic now. Okay. So if you go here, so line item 1. So first you have date 24/03/21. So for example, for us 25/01/12. This is the 12 now. Okay. So what is the amount here? What is the amount? 30,000. So you can specify 30,000. In the file, you specified 30,000. Okay. And here specified FCHI is there, no? 181 you have specified. 181 Noor 1. Okay. And next, here there is a 86 information for bank account key. So what is the bank key? So for example, this is my bank key. So information for accounting key here. You specify my bank account key. Okay, this is my bank account. Okay, same again, you want to do debit bank charge. This is the NKA, the vendor outgoing bank balances. So you have vendor outgoing balances, you want to specify, but here there is a 5 line items. How many line items you have? And 1 2 3 4 5. Each line item you need to specify this one. Okay, and vendor outgoing bank account. So let's say first I'll post incoming bank account, then I will show you outgoing bank account. Okay, so if you see 30,000 is there, now next item 10,000. So what happened? So here this one you can again you can copy again. So press enter, copy here. So what is the amount? 10,000. So you can mention 10,000. Again copy this one, 6181. Again 10,000. Okay, fine. Next, copy paste again. How much amount is that? 70,000. You can specify 70,000. Again copy paste here. 85,000. 85,000. Again copy paste here. 1 lakh. Again copy paste here. 3 lakhs. So now this is up to here I done. So the outgoing payment. So outgoing payment, let's say go to outgoing payment. How much this is there? If you click execute here. Oh my God. Outgoing payment, I'm not activate open item management. Okay, no problem. We'll see later. outgoing payment. So outgoing payment should be activate open item management. I'll tell you the program is there. I need to execute the program. Okay, I remove this line item for outgoing payment as of now. Only for incoming payment I did. So down here, now will bank charges. Okay, 25 bank charges, 25, let's say 01 and let's say 12, not 21. Bank charges for 1000 rupees. Okay, bank charges, you mentioned the accounting key for 180, 183. So I have mentioned for bank charges for 183. So 4-digit number you need to remove, 183, this one. So bank charges. So D, the date will be 25, 01, 12. So ending balance. So ending balance, how much ending balance here? So here opening balance 0. So ending balance, how much is there for this balance? If we added, how much balance is there? This much. This is the ending balance. 6 lakhs 5,000 ending balance. Ending balance 6 lakhs 5,000. INR 6 lakhs 5,000. Ending balance 6 lakhs 5,000. So this is the file now. You need to save this file. 18110 MT940 file. Take the desktop and save this. So this is the file format. So now I'm not enter the vendor balance. I'm enter only for this file. This file format not prepare ourselves. This file format sent to the bank for us. You need to upload the file now. Okay. Go to long back. I did this. If any error message, I will check and later let now. Go to accounting. Okay, financial accounting, banking. Subarao T code, where is the T code?
No, F_05.
F
FF underscore 5 only, no?
FF underscore.
Yeah.
This is the no?
Yes. That one.
Correct.
Import. This is the file. Okay, you need to execute this file now. This is the display here. Post FEBP post bank statement reprocess. This is the reprocess bank statement is given that this is the PEBA bank reprocessment here. So you need to import this file FF underscore 5 now. So this is the next step. So here you need to import data. You need to select which format you need to select now. So XML format bank specific, or you're going to choose for
About MT9 format. No. First దాంట్లోనే క్లిక్ చేయండి.
ఫస్ట్ దాంట్లోనే MT940 ఉంటుంది నరేంద్ర గారు.
yeah,
MT940
that's one. I'm checking here.
That's correct.
International format, and here lot of format is there, IES. So let's select international format and select the file here, desktop 18110 MT9 format. Open. Okay, post immediately. Do not post. You want to check any error messages, you can choose error messages, and you want to select print bank statement, execute bank statement. If you see here any variant I have created earlier, so no, I not created. Okay, I have created. So you can see post immediately here. So this is the file, but international file format only. I select again the file format variant I have created now. 18110 MT940 here. So now you can select workstation upload, import upload, post immediately, always value date to account, assign value date to account you need to activate. And here you can see internal reference number interval 19982, XML number also, algorithm for number range here, print for bank statement. So do not post means do not post. It means it is allowed to post. Post immediately means post immediately. Okay, click on execute. Allow. Okay, okay. This is 3,181,000 invalid amount. Okay, so I mean this is what happened. 181 is invalid amount in the file. In this file, you have mentioned here. This one. 181. Twenty-five 112C. This is the bracket, no? Okay. Let's save this. But everything you need to gap, no? It should be coming gap, right? But not coming. But anyway, let's see. Try now. You need to select the file. Three lakhs, no? 30,000 is there. Okay. $30,000 is there. Oh, first line item only. So it says that it will be here, not this one. It will say here, this is not invalid amount like this is coming. Okay, here you can see little bit gap. So 181, no? So 181, it is not considered. Okay. So that reason it is coming. So let's say if we use, I will use instead of 181, I use this bank transaction code FCHI. Let's see now it will work or not. FCHI. NCHB, FCHI, FCHI, FCHI. Here I remove this. FCHI, FCHI, FCHI. Let's save this. Yeah, now you can statement taken. So account number 52 account number statement not bank data storage. So statement 200 not into the bank data storage. Okay, warning. Some of the line item does not match the closing balance. These are the warning messages. see here, this way it will work here. Opening balance 0 here. So FCHI bank charges will be created here. So this is the value date. Value date is mandatory in the bank file, and bank posting date is blank here. So this is the reference number. This is the reference number. This way it work. So here total this one bank charges, it is not matched because your 1,000 rupees bank charges you maintain. No, so reducing the bank charges, but your ending maintain the bank charges 6,005. So it should be bank closing balance should be 6,004. So this is what it's saying this here. You need to reduce for 1,000. Then only the bank charges will be knock off here 6,040. This is the bank charges will be knock off because here this is the debit balance. Bank charges will be debit balance. In our statement, you can see incoming bank statement 605,000 is there. 605,000 is there, but this balance minus 1,000 rupees bank charges will be deducted. Rest of the amount will be closing balance. So now if you go here, you can execute. So still there's no posting happen because this error. Keep save this again. Again you need to execute here the file. Go back. Go back. Bank statement was not updated. Fine, no issue. Again you try to execute now. So select my own variant, select the file here, 18110. You're trying to understand, right, what I'm going to do here. 18110 for MT940. So, okay, execute here. Statement not bank is the storage. Okay, now closing balance will be tally here. Okay, closing balance will be tally. Account number, this is my account number. The statement number 01. Identity ID, currency INR, JP Morgan Bank statement here. Opening balance, debit balance, opening balance 0, debit balance, closing balance here. Go back. So these are the numbers: 30,000, 10,000, 20,000, load closing balance, this much balance here. So the bank statement format. Audible my voice? Audible my voice? Internet disconnected.
Yes, yes. Okay.
You need to enter company code. Still not posted document. Account 52100 statement not in the bank data storage. Okay, this is one information. So you need to correct. Effect, you can define appreciate your system message and according to the requirement to the customizing financial account tool message control, you define the warning message, whatever. Okay, this is I'll check later and enter. And extra some line item does not match closing balance. Okay, it is match, no? Closing balance. Match closing balance, no? Closing balance match, opening balance 0, closing balance correctly tally. So now it will be posted here. Let me check. This is one. If it should be saved data here, while import electronic bank, the system determine all external transaction, business transaction could be taken. Posting here, the table 208G. There is a posting key T08G and T08G where the transaction table 208G ensure that posting bank statement does not and treatment the customizing activity make global setting electronic banks. So I think unallocated. So this is what see unallocated the following entries in the 280 okay. So what happened? No, that transaction where you did 181 that might be it is not allowed. So you need to change the transaction SPRO here. So keep remember this is the financial accounting. So this is the bank accounts. So business transaction, payment transaction, and electronic bank statement. So make global setting. Give our chart of account 18110. So here, so assign create transaction type. Okay. Here external transaction type 181 is there no. So this you need to change here. So copy. So FCHI you need to specify what is your maintain here. So here you maintain no FCHI for FCHI for incoming out FCHI for outgoing bank account. Bank charges you are given for what is the bank charges NCHB NCHK per vendor. Okay. NCHK per vendor. So anyway, vendor you not maintain. So this is what. Go back. So again, sorry, you need to delete 181. This you need to delete this transaction and this you need to maintain. Now you can upload. It's work or not work. So let's try. F-05. Check my variant I have created. Still same issue is coming. Let me check. Does not match closing balance. After changing also. Caution opening balance 0 correct statement. Okay. So account number JP Morgan. Okay. Account ID currencies everything is taken. So here difference. Okay. Note this one. Okay. Now this is the multi-bank statement file. It will updated bank charges everything NCB NCHI everything is taken here. Now is the this all things will taken amount also taken. So now go back. Now check your report. FBL1N report. Okay, all documents are posted. This only one document is missing for incoming document. The 10,000 not posted. Rest of the things will be moved. I don't know why it is not moved. Then check balance for main bank balances. So you can check here. So now it will be transfer here. So this amount will be transferred. This two line item is not transferred. I will check why it is not transferred. So this way incoming bank statement and bank charges. You'll go and check the bank charges. So go to bank charges transaction code FBL3N. So go to here, 4 series for bank charges. So bank charges transaction. Execute here, not posted bank charges. So bank charges also not posted. Check, go to / PEBAN transaction. PEBAN transaction. There's a T code PEBAN. Okay. So here, okay, define partial payment or reschedule payment, whatever. Okay.
Why using the FEBAN trick?
So wherever issues is there, any bank statement, while doing the bank statement, if any issues is there, definitely we will be able to identify it here. So with via PEBAN document, it will be posted here. So you can see now, when I click PEBAN transaction code, you give company code 18110. You give house bank account ID, whatever you needed, you can give here. Okay, or else all line items, click execute here. No bank statement was selected. Okay, here it will be display PEBAN document for this. Whatever it is available, it is you need to do for PEBAN document. Okay, here you need to give for house bank account IDs. Okay, JP Morgan. Okay, and you have give ICICI Bank. Okay, whatever banks you are going to use, you can use now. Okay, so you can use for this account ID for JP Morgan, and sorry, you can use for account ID for JP Morgan. Okay, sequence number, statement number 1. So this is my one number, and statement date by today date, right? Today date is going to use this and execute now all items. The account bank statement only open transaction amount for all line items. All line items I'm executing. So now see. So here you can see there is some items are red color. So which has 10,000, 10,000 is not transfer, no? That will be red color will show here. Okay. Okay. So you can see here, you need to post account assignment. You need to transfer here. You want to add, you want to post some transaction also from here. Whatever transaction is there, 10,000. So if you select this one, it will be 10,000. Okay, this 10,000 amount you can enter here, so you can transfer it here. For text being text, you want to transfer, you can transfer account assignment, everything. Document, if you click document here, there's no document number. Assignment, if you want to add assignment on account. So if you want to create on account, you can create account type here, customer, vendor, account number, amount. This is on account transaction. Here also you can do incoming payment, outgoing payment for on account. You can see account assignment. You can see account assignment. You can click 10,000 here. Okay. Then simulate. If you see 10,000, I have click here 10,000 simulate. The main bank account will be debited and incoming bank account created. So from wherever you will get error message. So here you can see issue is profit center field not defined. Balancing in profit center field not defined. While posting the profit center, the balancing. So document splitting error message is there due to the reason while uploading the bank statement, it is not updated here. Okay. So those line item, this is the passive splitting is working. So the profit center field is not there. So you can enter the profit center field. If you click incoming payment, so where is the document business place? Go to more data here. More data here. So you enter the profit center 18110.001 and business area you need to enter 18CH. So then it will work the document. So what happened while doing the payment, profit center field is not appear. So document splitting not working. So that reason. Now you can see now document was posted. Now only 10,000 is there. Now click here again. So here account assignment is there. Double click this 10,000 is coming here. So here you can see cost center is there. Profit center 18CH. So you add the fields also. You can add the fields. Okay. Then cost center is there. Here profit center field is not there. So you need to add profit center fields. Okay, you can add. You want to add duplicate rows. You can add the multiple rows here. You want to add multiple rows. You can add here. So you want to post directly from here on account. You want to post on account also here. So like this, you can post here. Now you not enter here. So you can click assignments. You want to assignment. You want to on account. If you want to click on account documents. So account assignment. So you're clearing from one bank to another bank. Go to stock simulate here. So again, you can check, okay, business place is there. More data, so profit center is there. Both line items, any one line item profit center is there, no issue. So there is no line item profit center. So that reason system not allowed to post. So now click here and post now. Now it will post. Profit center field not there. Let me check profit center field. Go to more data here. So profit center field and save. No document posted. Now you will transfer all the balances. If whenever bank charges, if you see bank charges also, it will be appear here. Why bank charges? It is appear 1000. Okay, it is appear 1000 here. Now simulate now, check the error messages. So account assignment is required. So this bank charges cost center is required. So cost center is not maintained due to the reason it will error message. So you want to maintain the cost center here. So this bank charges purpose, you need to maintain one default cost center for OKB9 transaction code. Then it will be system allowed to post the transaction. See now, bank charges will be posted here. Now, while doing the bank payment, while uploading the file, there's no identification. You not found that. Now, payment transaction, you will find that everything here. While doing upload, payment transaction, any error message is there. From here, you can process the files. You want to reverse now, everything. So now bank charges will be posted here. Now all the things are posted. While uploading the bank statement, bank file, you are receiving the file. You need to check from here how many line items are processed here. Any line item is not processed, then you need to check the bank statement. You can go and check. You can do that. Okay. So what I did mistakes now. So you need to take this SAP standard transaction key FCHI, NHCB, NCHK. So that is useful for us. And you need to understanding the file format. So first I given the statement file format and bank account number, bank key, sequence file, first sequence, now second sequence, next file, second sequence, now other file, next sequence. Sequence file is very, very important. And opening balance is very, very important, and each date and value date. This is the value date. Keep remember value date and amount, and incoming payment, outgoing payment. This transactions tell about this is the incoming payment. So all incoming payment updated here. This transaction tell about bank charges. This transaction tell about outgoing payment. So this way you're going to upload. So outgoing payment, I'm not sure because here what happened, open item management not activated for open item management not activated for FBL3N. Yeah, I did mistake when creating that outgoing GL account. So here I'm not activate open item management. Okay, you should activate open item management, this one. And whenever you get the bank statement, each and every line item you will add it for one row. For that you will upload the bank statement. Okay, each and every transaction wise you'll upload the file for bank statement, for incoming bank statement. If you want to use for manual bank statement, so you have a question now, sir, if you not activate open item management, okay, and how to activate open item management? There's a transaction is given S/4HANA transaction. So you can see here, fins activate open item. So here FAGL activate open item for this is the ECC system. Okay, if you use this transaction code FAGL activate open item management, this is the ECC system, but ECC system is not support to S/4HANA system. ECC system not support to S/4HANA system. Okay. So in a R3 system, you have R3. When you do R3, the program is there. Open item activate 4.7. If you work 4.7 version anyone, if you want to activate open item management. Activate open item management 4.7. Okay, in 4.7. RFSEP02, the program is there. RF SEP03 program is there for deactivate open item management, activate open item management. So this program you're going to use your deactivate. So if you go to, if you want to see the transaction code, go to /o SC16N TSTC. You remember this table TSTC. You give the program and you will get the transaction code. If you see RFSEP02, there's a program. If any transaction code is there, no transaction code is there. So this is the program. Where you want to see the program, /A/O SA38 transaction code, you need to execute these programs. All programs you are going to execute here. So program does not exist. Removed for RFSCP02. RFSEP02. Okay, RFSCP1. Okay, not there. Okay. So now, for example, if you say here, if you say when I'm selecting that, activate open item management, forget the T code. So let's say I'm going to use this program. I'm execute like this. Okay, it is not work. If you click here, F4 here. If you click F4 also not coming. Here is coming, but here is not coming. So any transaction code, for example, FB01 transaction code, if you do execute this transaction code, you will get the program. This is the program here. Okay, like this, every transaction code having a program. If you have a program, you will get the transaction code. Okay, so there's the transaction code. Keep remember table name TSTC. But here, when I'm trying to open item management, is the S4HANA system not abandoned? So here, this is the transaction code. If you see here, this is my transaction code, F_fin_open item management. So this, if you give transaction code here, how I remember, I am also searching the Google. Okay, whenever all the things I'm not able to remember, if you are somewhere, you need to make a note here, or else I'll search a table. So here, this is the program here. So up to 4.7, there's no transaction code. Up to ECC system having a transaction code. This is the transaction code. You're going to use this option. Okay, click on this one. So here you need to activate the GL account 2052 and 1810. So activate, deactivate, test run, execute. So if you activate here, you'll get some error message. I see that the balance ledger, non-reading ledger, some issue is there here. So it is not updated. Some currencies difficulties is there. I want to check this one. So whenever executed this one, it will updated this one. So this is where if you want to activate open item management GL account, you can use. Deactivate open item management, you can choose here. Okay. So after posting the transaction, before posting the transaction, this is not required. You'll go directly FS00, activate the open item management. After posting the transaction, you need to activate the documents. So you need to activate open item management here. So activate.
How did you get this program? How did you find this program? Like, which is the problem?
Sorry, sir.
Like, how did you find this program that, this open item management program name?
Yeah, SAP only given for us. I searched the Google last time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can see wherever message is coming, open item management, like
Okay.
if you search open item management activation of SAP, okay, like this you'll get open item management S4HANA. Like this, it will get this, you'll get all the things all. And you have a best option whenever you're working for employee, what's Google is not there. So everything Google is there. Open item completed, open item management, activate, deactivate, open item management for GL.
Okay, got it. Yeah. So I was thinking like, there is within the program itself, you are trying to find using some, function code or something. That was I was thinking.
Yeah, sometimes you can find this wherever SC16N, I found that all that information. So I know that whatever activate open item management, let's say activate, deactivate option I taken here. I put star button here. If you see activate, deactivate here, I select here. So if you select, found this star activate star. So I removed here, remove this 9999. If you found like this also, but sometimes not found like this. Okay. So here, if you use the program, you'll get the program. If name sometime, so you'll put like star something like this. I have like this. You have selected like this. Okay. Sometime you'll get this right answer. Sometime never get. So normally I search the Google. So most of the things you are searching a Google for him. See, this is the activate open element. This is the not in S4 HANA system. It will be this transaction code used for ECC system. Okay, but if you use this transaction code, not work, right? It's correct, no? It is not work. What happened? If you go other around, I'm going to slash n fs00. Some of the transaction, how will found that? So go to bank balance. So how I found that this GL account, open item management, here go to outgoing. So I'm activate to open item management, I'm saving. So here it will get error message. You can see here information here. So here is clearly mentioned here. This is the transaction management. This is the note. This is the transaction code. So like this, I have identified this transaction code. Wherever I go Google, this only this is there. This is abandoned transaction code. This is transaction code used for ECC system. But I'm looking for S4HANA system. When I'm looking for S4HANA system, you can see here, fins activate here. So if you go here, it will be, see, I take this transaction code fins activate here, open item, and copy this and go and try this one. That's why I'm doing. Wherever I'm trying to do change the GL account, system itself is given this answer.
Okay.
So this is the program. This is the transaction code. This is the program. This is the SAP note. I will explain SAP note, how you'll get access from SAP service marketplace, my office related. I will show you the note, how it will be, search the note itself in SAP itself. SAP provides some, whatever issues is there, SAP provide the notes here. So those notes is more useful to check that, resolve the incidents. SAP, whatever information is provided relevant for SAP topics, so it is be delivered for, this is 124745. Okay. If you want to use manual bank statement, sir, this is the electronic bank statement so many people are following right now. If you want to use manual bank statement, you need to create the variant. Okay, sequence of the variant. How will we upload the variant? So financial accounting, bank account, business transaction, payment transaction, manual bank statement. So here you need to select create assign business transactions. So this all you need to map here, transaction 1 and transaction 2, create memo, whatever transaction you need to do for posting rule. You already done, I think, transaction posting rule, not done. Right? Same incoming banking, outgoing banking, how it will do. Sorry, how it will do, same thing you need to do here, the first step. And before do this, define posting rule for posting key for bank statement. So this is already done, but this is the posting rules you need to done. Create account symbol, assign account symbol, create posting rule, define posting rule. This 4 steps is required. And after that, you need to create the variant here. Okay, variant SAP01 variant is SAP standard. Okay, so select here, you can copy button here. So give our variant, let's say 18110 here. So here you can see a transaction, value date, amount, document number. You want to give document number also, you can give. Rest of the things I don't want. This one I don't want, I can delete. This one I can delete. What happened? So keep cursor here, currency, foreign currency, customer account number. So these fields are matching, then it will work for my bank, manual bank. What is the fields? Transaction, value date, amount, document number. So if we give a document number also it will be match. So then it will be. No. Transaction, value date, amount if matching. Transaction means you are assigning that incoming bank, outgoing bank transaction. So the transaction, value, amount and document number. So document number, if required, you can mention the document number. No, value, amount only like this, you can say. So this fields you need to map here. So maximum algorithm is 15. Amount 15 digit. Sequence field. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 8, 10, 3, 15, 18 I mentioned here. Length, I'm using standard only, no? I'm not changing anything. Missing reference number here. So someone reference number missing here. So here you can see bank reference number here, document number. So length, someone is missing for length here, transaction value here. Someone disturbing this. But if you see SAP 01, someone deleted for SAP standard also. Here length is given. The reference number is missing. Reference number also required for manual bank statement. So someone is missing, that's okay. Account missing, bank reference, payment order. So here amount, transaction value date and bank reference. This you can use. So this one you can use. You can copy this one, YB04. Copy this, change 18110. Okay, same. So transaction value date, payment order for how can you say? So it is for payment order for in-house banking. When you do the in-house banking, the payment order is created. In-house banking, treasury management, there is an in-house banking concept. Then only payment order created. So I don't want payment order. Only bank reference I have selected. Save this. Someone configured in ISC, so that reason. So normally you configured for, okay, this is the workbench request, so that reason it will be coming here. So this is the workbench request, not in a, customizing request. So this is my reference number, not, I'm using bank reference. I'm not use payment order. So save this here. So this is my variant. You have to create the variant. Then you need to variant. This variant, you need to create the transaction, assign the transaction type. Create memo. This transaction type you need to assign here. Then you need to post some transaction, and you can do for after posting the transaction. You need to do for execute this transaction code where it will be here. Where is the easy access transaction code? Accounting, financial accounting, bank account, input, bank statement. So FF67 for manual bank statement. So here you can create variant. What variant you are assigning? Okay, here variant. So you have a create one variant for, where is the variant? 1810. Or variant you need to assign here 1810 and the customer ID, bank ID and processing type. I'm not saved this variant. Is there no? So you can see activation is not there. Whenever create the variant, activation is not there. So that reason it will not display here. Okay, whenever you do here, click here, you can do activation here. So once activate, then you can save. Then only it will be display for our F11061 here. Okay, now close this. Now it will be display now. So 18110, not done. Okay, close this again, no problem. Close this. So click on FM67, click on this. So now you can see bank reference here. So into the bank determination, you can activate in here. So it will be checkbox, search for the bank account internal name like this. You can search, you can activate, important advice. So here the process type, you can see process type. So further processing batch input section, online directions, background job, process for online. So you want to online job, online means it will post it automatically. It will create the batch, the depreciated acknowledge. So the further processing for background job, you need background job and process online. Which process you want to select, you can choose for this. And transfer value date you need to select here. So here you need to give house bank and account ID and sequence number, start date, being opening balance, ending balance, and posting date. Okay. Then you can execute this. This will be posted the data. So this is the manual bank statement. Okay. If needed, you will try yourself. I will prepare. I will also show you tomorrow class for this bank statement after posting the transaction. And now most of the things, electronic bank statement, how it will work. Wherever you get error message, PEBAN transaction, how it will work. So this is the PEBAN transaction. So how it will work. This is the PEBAN transaction. How it will work, I'll show you. So many people are using for this one and this one. PEBAN transaction only using this. So this is the bank reconciliation statement process. Okay. So whenever you create banking, outgoing bank, incoming bank should be open item management. Keep remember. And these are the bank reconciliation statement, how it works. Okay. So you have any clarification needed, please, when you do practice, please let us know, we will discuss. So you need to remember this fields, okay, this fields. Now, I hope everyone understanding statement date, account identification means bank account number or bank key, statement of the sequence, okay, sequence number 1, 2, 3, 4, and opening balances. Statement line item means value date as well as amount column. How much amount for either customer balance or vendor balance you need to add it for 61, and information for account holder means bank key you can maintain, and closing balance for all the line item. So this is the file format. I will take only for incoming payment and bank charges, because outgoing bank charges is not there for open item management to activate. So that reason it's unable to clear the balances. So that reason I'm not using. So this is the statement you're going to work. Okay, so this is the bank statement. Okay, so whenever creating the posting key FCHI, you're using not 181 here, use FCHI, NCB, NCK, that is external transaction. So it is more useful for system understanding that, system standard transaction key. If you use 180, 181, 182, 180, system not taking the file, right? So that also you're facing error message. So you're using for this format. So I will corrected my bank statement also, the configuration also. I will corrected this one. I will update you the correct format file here. Do here. I will correct format. I will give here. So this I will correct it. Okay. I will correct it the screenshot. I will give here. Okay. So today it close, sir, for account receivable, and you will discuss tomorrow very important topic, converts, asset accounting, fixed assets. Okay, so let us know your availability tomorrow.